What's up, fellow Jeepers? Welcome back to Jeep TV. My name is Brett, and today we are going to be looking at our packing situation that we have to unpack from our vacation. So we just got back, and for all of you that have just purchased a Jeep, have a Jeep, have yet to take a long trip with a Jeep, I just want to show you the type of luggage situation you're going to have to deal with. As far as our trip, it was great. We have two boys, they sit in the back. Obviously we sit in the front, and the dogs stayed at the house. So anyway, so without further ado, I'm going to turn the camera around and let you guys check out how I have things packed. Alright, so smaller bags are better for sure. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 suitcases. I've got a Yeti cooler under here, a bag full of food and such. This is all of our leftover food that we got from the beach. Paper towels. Got a couple handbags. My computer, that's the back. Alright, now up front, well not up front, in the back seat, this is where the boys sit. So we got Ethan's car seat. There is substantial room for, a smaller person's feet. With the car seat, it is pretty close. But anyways, yes, we literally just got here not even 2 hours ago. And I just want to show you guys what it's like to go in a Jeep after it's been on vacation and what to expect just now buying a Jeep and taking it on vacation. So they have all their little toys on the floor. We have DVD players. They're actually pretty freaking awesome. They're RCA. They're really large screens. So both the boys got them. So this is Evan's side, and pretty much he just has his little seat, booster seat, and he has a really nice, it's like a shoulder rest thing. I don't even know what you want to call that, but he uses it for his neck, and he lays down like a little pillow. So we got another little bag down here for snacks. Then up front, obviously there's just a normal Jeep. We didn't pack anything up here, but cash money, garbage bag, which is from McDonald's on the way home. Just your normal regular deal up front. But anyways, what's up? What are y'all doing? Oh, we do, don't we? Yeah, I will. Hang on one second. So the next thing that I want to show you is my gas mileage. I am running the 37 1250s and with the rock crawler 3.5-inch lift. So 37 1250s to be expected. I got 14.3 miles to the gallon, and my trip was 1,026.4 miles. So, yikes. We filled up quite a few times for that one. But anyways, it was worth the trip. We had a blast, and we are done as far as trips for a while. I will be going to Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion, and I will be going to Jeep Jam in Ringgold at the Mountain View Chrysler Jeep Dodge. They're going to be putting it on with the AJCP, the Jeep Club. So, that's about it, guys. And I did put the sticker on, but it's freaking crooked. It's gonna have to drive me insane. But you know what? I'm gonna rock it. I'm gonna live with it. But yeah, red is pretty freaking awesome. Let's see. What happened? You can't pedal? You can bet I've got some things to incorporate up front when I get my bumper in, which turns out while I was on vacation, I did get an email from VKS that my bumper is on its way. So I should get it by the end of this week. And hopefully I'll be able to prep and put it on and do a video for it. And I have a surprise that I want to do up front. So be adding a little splash of color. Alright, so I do have one little secret to say about my travels. I did have another vehicle with me, and we did have a boatload more stuff to go in their car. The only thing that we had was we had a wagon, and we had 2 little sleep cots that I probably could have put on top of all of this, but I really didn't want it to slide and hit my windows. But I have to say, I did cheat. We did use another vehicle, so if you are going on vacation solo, I do recommend for extra storage getting a trailer hitch basket, or a roof rack would be really nice to put your luggage up top. You know, Jeeps are really durable. You know, you can get in, get out, get the sand in there. You know, they can get dirty. It's just a rugged vehicle that you can just take, go places, and spray it out, pull your luggage out, and be done with it. And you know, the interior of them are rugged enough to where you're not going to get scratches and dings and stuff. Everything usually just rubs right off. But yeah, as far as that goes, we had a great time. Thank you for you know, checking my channel out. Thank you for viewing. I hope you took something from this. That way you new Jeepers out there who... Look at this. What's going on here, man? Aren't you supposed to be getting ready for bed?
He's in my butt.
Oh, no. That's not good. Hey, Superman, bring Batman back his bike. Alright, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks for joining me today. Hopefully it was really insightful for all the people who have Jeeps and who have yet to take theirs on vacation and are in the future have purchased one and going on vacation. So you guys know what to expect whenever you're going to start packing. So yes, so little tips, smaller suitcases, multiple suitcases, so that way you can kind of box them in there, get them all nice and neat and squared away. TVs, you know, you can fold these chairs down if you just, you know, a couple of 2. Fold the chairs down, you got plenty of space, got the whole trunk, so that makes it really nice. Trailer hitch and or roof rack definitely makes for a lot more room. Anyways, peace out, take care, keep jeeping.
Hey, baby.
Huh? You wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a Jeep ride? You wanna go for a Jeep ride?